Eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. A single egg itself is a complete food because whole egg contains all the nutrients required for the normal functioning of the body. They are so nutritious that they are often referred to as nature's multivitamin. Not only do eggs give us the strength we need for our day-to-day life, but it also keeps our brains active. Eggs are rich in several nutrients that promote heart health, such as betaine and choline. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, an adequate supply of choline is very important. Since choline is essential for normal brain development, the nutrients present in an egg help in the production of stronger and healthier sperm and improve fertility. Boiled eggs are more nutritious than other types of eggs because they are cooked without oil and butter. Eating raw eggs can be potentially dangerous if they contain salmonella. About 1 in 20,000 eggs, salmonella remains present. Salmonella is a bacteria commonly found in food that causes diarrhea, fever, cramps and vomiting.